Hi guys, Mula back with you, and we're looking at gold. So, if you had a look at the first video that I shared, I think it was last week, we had said, let me just, gosh, where is it? I had said it'll basically that it would be a safe exit. So, what they've done from last week, well, at the close of last month's candle, we can see that on weekly we still have like a sell brewing. So when a weekly and a monthly setup as a sell, it does take time. From a lower time frame, perspective, you may think that it's about to fly off to the moon or whatever the case may be. But I think that will come. But right now we are basically cooking the actual structure that's gonna take us down for the monthly pullback, or rather weekly pullback, because monthly is kind of like still looking rather bullish. Let me just think too. It's June. So the new month just started. I think this month probably will, like, it'll be a red candle. There'll be some aggressive movement downwards, but it'll also pull back. Um, so, okay, I'm talking too much, but basically what I mean, like right now, the candle is going up like this, right? It's gonna create the high of the month. So once it finds the high of the month, which will probably be around this price here, 23.92, is that it'll go down aggressively and probably try break the structure. So whatever is gonna build up there has to have um, like a really strong structure to push this down. So essentially, every time I see this and this, it's like they're busy testing these areas. And yeah, when they come back, you'll probably get something like that, right? But the actual potential target, let me hide these things. Okay, delete the brush strokes, hide the text, move around oh, sorry, move this fellow. Okay, so essentially, this is where I'm expecting price to come down to. So essentially, there's two options here. It's either, okay, the first one will be here, obviously, this level. I mean, it can happen that it can just stop here and go down, right? Anything's possible, but I guess that will depend on fundamental data and economic stuff. But from a technical perspective, okay, this is the first shot of shorts. And then, but honestly speaking, this zone, and if it really pushes up this zone, something like that, then we're gonna come down here. But after this, it'll be so aggressive. But yeah, when the month ends, well, this it's an assumption that it would end if they choose to do this move within June. It would mean that um, it would shoot down and then close up like something like this. So you would have like a red candle, almost like with a big wick at the bottom. And then after that, they can sideway, they can do whatever, but then expect another bull run to go. I think, uh, but but like I said, we can't really think that far ahead. We have to deal with level by level. I'm just showing you like a higher time frame kind of viewpoint. Now let's go to actual data you can use, because gold is quite a crazy pair. So, well, crazy instrument. So far, what today has shown me is that they want to go up. So first destination is probably here, because this one has already been used up. They might have some scalping things, but just be careful. This is what I'm looking at as a level to use tomorrow or during Asia. anything's possible. So essentially this is basically where you should be looking for ideas, inside this. And you can go to M30. Yeah, I mean this is yeah, this is probably something like somewhere around there, I mean this can also hold um that, like this area here. When they shoot down in here, find your buys because after that we're gonna have a zigzaggy movement because we have to all these things have to be cleared, right? So it's not gonna just be smooth. So think about the daily range. Like I said, 50 to 100 pips of ideas like this is good enough. But this can go. I mean, this is the actual targets. Let's just see how big that is. From here to here, that's like 400 pips. So as you can imagine, 100 pips up, 50 pips, 80 pips down, 100 pips up. Like think like that. Just don't be like too too dreamy about this. So this can make you some decent cash. And yeah, I think essentially I guess it is kind of a mini swing. But like I said, weekly sell, complete sell. Like weekly is still saying sell. The only thing is that if it's a weekly idea, so it means the weekly and daily have to kind of formulate a structure that is good enough for us to go down, right? So think like that when you approaching this. So yeah, like I said, let me just put on the session breaks so we can see this. So today, when it ends, or whenever, or maybe they might do it today, but I doubt it. Asia might take this. Asia, London tomorrow. Maybe you might get something like this, little sideway, because already you can see this candle saying I'm gonna sell. So they can do that, and then but this is a good buy point. If they break this, that means they're gonna retest again down here. But yeah, this is the first port of call. You can get 50 pips easily from here. Let's just see where 50 pips leads us here. Um, let's see. Yeah, I mean, this is 50 pips, guys. There's 130 pips. So yeah, this is a really, really good idea. You will see. And let me leave a long position thing here. I'm gonna put it like this, and then I'm just gonna do this because I'm not exactly sure which session will take care of this idea. But yeah, this is basically the most realistic idea. Use green for 30 minutes. So yeah, so you can just that's it. Good risk to reward idea, right? So watch out for that tomorrow. Okay, good luck, guys. And oh yeah, hold on. I want to create like a channel that you guys can join and so forth. Like, but drop me a mail. Yeah, and then I'll change that color because it's so. Yeah, so drop me a mail there, and yeah, tell me if you're interested. All I'm doing, I'm gonna give people just good setups. Like, so we're not gonna be like every day we're looking for something. Oh no, what did? Because I've got other things that I'm doing, but yeah, I want to help out, and there's no cost to this. But I'm gonna give you guys links to join. Like, depends on which pairs you want to trade, but I focus on gold, but I can read any pair really. If I see a really good opportunity, we can go for it. But we can use different brokers for different things. For now, we're gonna use XM for gold, just because I mean they allow small accounts to kind of do stuff with gold, so you can build up your confidence with that. And then for like really um, like scalping type of stuff and like small spread brokers will look at IC, Tickmill, and others. But yeah, I'll create affiliate links. Drop me a mail if you're interested, and yeah, when you sign up, and then yeah, you get like a free setup um, per per. I mean, it could be sometimes it can be 3 ideas in a week, sometimes two, sometimes it's one idea that makes quite some big moves. As you can see, I'm well versed with higher time frame ideas. Small time frame for scalpers is still fine, but I just want you to always be on the right side of the market and keep your mind clear from biases and so forth and so on, and react as price develops. Let the buyers and sellers make up their minds, and then we see it, and I tell you to strike. That's it. Have an awesome day. Have a blessed week, and see you soon. Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. Thank you.